Hello, what's up you guys? My name is Vivian from ThePaperLetterBlog and I'm back with an outgoing mail video. Now what I do in these videos is literally show you my outgoing mail. I'm looking at this video wearing my favorite sweater, which seems kind of crazy for me now because we're in a heat wave, but I filmed this back when it was still like cold out. So you're going to see a whole bunch of mail that I filmed and made and sent out during the past few months. And this mail I sent out to Tamara, which you can also see on the front. It says letter for Tamara, and it has been received already. I already received a reply, and if I'm completely honest, I was kind of sad that I didn't film this for a video because I'm in love with how this turned out. I'm sorry. I don't want to be arrogant, but sometimes you just have one of those projects that seem to be working that is like, yeah, you're just really proud of yourself. That's basically what I'm trying to say. I'm proud of this project and it's a step for me to say that, but we're going to practice this. So what you see is at the top we have a little goodie bag with handmade wax seals. I have a wax seal on the middle part, and I'm now covering up the letter with some cut parts that I'm going to include in this mail. I'm using the cut parts because I don't like, the letter is private. I obviously don't want to share that. But this is the mail I made, and all of the goodies I used, all of the background, the decorations, they're all from Flow magazine. So the little hands holding the cup and the kitty cat and the saying, everything's from Flow magazine. And then the outside paper was from Action. Now this is a mail you have already seen if you watch my videos more frequently. It's a vintage themed mail. I will link that down below, but I'm just showing you now what else I have included with this mail, like the extra goodies that came with it. And I'm speeding this up now because A, I already showed this mail, and B, I don't know, I don't think you guys would be interested in seeing me wrap something for like 6 hours. And this one went to Louise in Australia. This one went to Betty in the United States. The lighting is a little bit worse because I'm just filming this with without daylight lamps and everything like that, but I wanted to show you what I included before I sealed up this envelope. And that's also kind of important for me because I want to show that not every outgoing mail has to be super big. Like, you can make something small and still make someone happy with it. I'm realizing now this mail has December stamps on it, so I'm guessing that means I made it back in December. I haven't done one of those outgoing mail videos in a while, but I don't know, I always like including that. These are some washi tape samples. This mail is going out to Katerina. I saw a comment from her the other day that said that seeing all of my PO box mail got her back into making happy mail, which made me very, very happy. That little poster is from Flow magazine again. It's a little like standalone poster, I hope I'm saying that correctly, and I thought it matched her very well, Katerina in particular, because she crafts so many incredible things with everything that she has around the house. So I just thought that this poster would match her well. Sorry, I have to restart my voiceover the entire time because my screen keeps freezing. The envelope, I also want to say that, is decorated with a magazine clip out, beautiful floral butterflies. And the washi tape samples I actually received in mail, so I'm kind of re-gifting them, which is not something I usually do. I have so many washi tape samples, I don't know, I cannot use all of them. And then I'm like a little bit behind, so I have to talk fast, but the stickers I included are also from the corgis and corgi butts from the Pip 6 pack, because I did the Pip 6 unboxings for a while, and Katerina actually said that she really liked the corgi butt stickers, so I kept them aside for her, and I included some more goodies as well. And then these little pockets, the first two that you see on the right now, I did a video on that. I forgot what I called it. I need to come up with better names for my videos because I keep forgetting what I call them, but they are in a separate video, so that's why I'm not like pulling stuff out and showing you everything, because I already did a video on that. I will link that down below as well. Then this is another pocket I made. It was inspired by Sneeuwmeelhoekje on Instagram. She also sent me one of those in my PO box mail quite a while ago. It's just a fun little pocket, decorated. A fun little decorated pocket, I don't know what else to say. And I included all of these little goodies, little bows, a washi tape sample, little sequins, little stickers, sticker flakes, tags, and some more stickers also from Flow. I have a lot of Flow goodies, so I'm just sharing them. And if I'm not mistaken, I sent this out to Robin in the USA. And I'm just showing you the side of the pocket to kind of show you what I did. I hope that makes sense. I cannot explain it that fast, but I'll probably do a video on it one day. And then this one went out to Kira, and yes, I'm showing you her address because she has a PO box, so it's not her personal address. She doesn't live in the PO box, and she also has a YouTube channel, so she shares that PO box anyway. If you do not follow Kira already, please go do that now. That would make me very happy, and her as well. She's absolutely incredible. You won't regret it. She is simply Creative Kira, or Kira Pace here on YouTube. And I made for her this gorgeous, I'm calling my own project gorgeous, this fun, gorgeous loaded envelope. I don't ever make loaded envelopes, but I had kind of fun because it's what you do is you create an envelope. I mean, the title already suggests it. And then instead of closing it, you leave it open and you stuff it with goodies. So it's a very, very simple idea for a Happy Meal, but you can put in as much as you like. You can make them as fat as you like. You can make them any size you like. And I just think they're very fun to receive. And even if you do not decorate them fully, your pen pal could possibly reuse the envelope. But that's like a whole other thing, of course. Okay, I know I'm gonna get questions about this, and I understand because it's craft related. The papers I used and the stickers and everything are from Pink Paisley, Paige Evans, Whimsical, if I'm not mistaken. They have a lot of elements that are craft related, and the little quotes are craft related, and it's adorable. So, not sponsored. Goodness, I wish, but I just love using that. When it came out, I got all of the goodies. I think nearly all of the goodies that come with the set, and I have not used them as often because I just think they're too pretty. And the envelope, by the way, is decorated using a decoupage napkin. I did a couple of videos on that as well. The reason why I'm showing you this envelope so elaborately is because it's a box envelope, and I'm kind of obsessed with box envelopes because it's just an envelope, but it kind of holds the promise of something cool because it's a little box. I don't know, sometimes I get excited by random little things, okay? I made this with the envelope I made with the envelope punch board. Again, not sponsored. I don't ever get sponsored, in case you were wondering. Envelope punch board, and then I use an app that's called Envelope Punch Board Calculator. It takes a while to figure out, but it also lets you make box envelopes. So that's kind of cool. Like, if you don't have an envelope punch board, basically what you do is you fold it twice. No, that doesn't make sense. I'm not going to try and explain it because it's going to get very, very difficult. Anyhow, this mail went to my friend B, or Amy B, quite a while ago, and a while back I received that little folder in my Happy Meal in PO Box Mail with a B on the front, and she was excited because her nickname is B, and I was excited because I kind of knew that I had to share that little folder with her. I hope it has arrived safely. Inside I included an envelope flipbook. I think they're called envelope flipbook. The papers I used for that envelope flipbook are from a Flow book for paper lovers. I don't know which one, either number 6, number 7, either the 2018 or the 2019 one. And then I'm obviously stuffing it with goodies. So the top folder has my letter, the middle has all of these washi tape stickers, which, as you probably know by now, is my obsession. And then the bottom one has some more stickers and some more goodies. and I decorated this mail because the paper is already quite busy. I decided to do the decorations black and white, which I'm actually quite pleased with. And what I did is the top envelope and the bottom one are decorated with stamps. Like I stamped images onto white cardstock and then I fussy cut them out so that I had black and white images. And I have to admit, I like the look of that so much. I don't know why I don't do that more often. And then there's a little card that says "Hello Lovely" from Flow magazine. And then these are all the goodies included. So yeah. Next up is this mail from my Penpal Beta from Germany. I also made this mail in a video, so I'm not going to show you the mail itself. If you want to see what is inside that flipbook and how I decorated the envelope, I will link it down below as well. If I can, I'll link everything down below. I'm realizing now that in the last 3 mails I showed you, I included scraps of paper. I actually never do that, yet in these 3 mails I seem to have done it. But I have a lot of paper scraps and I have to admit I don't use them all that often, so I decided just to put some pretty pieces of paper aside to share with pen pals. I also included our Project Life cards. As you know, another thing I collect is Project Life cards, and I collect them, I hoard them, and I rarely use them. But they're very fun for using as address labels or mail tags or random little notes or even decorations or backgrounds. So I have a lot of them, and I'm also planning on sharing some more with people. And then this is already the last mail I'm showing you. This one went to someone in the Netherlands. It's already been received. This was a PO box reply again, and I'm just showing you that I included that little envelope from La Papier, matching letter writing paper, matching envelope, that's what I'm trying to say. And then I made this really small happy mail out of, wow, this is a big coincidence. I made a happy mail out of Project Life cards. This was one of the things I attempted because I felt like I didn't use my Project Life cards enough. In one of the, what I did is I just glued all of them together and I created a little accordion folder. I think it looks very cute. It's nice and tiny, perfect for like little mails, and you can still include quite a bunch of goodies. So included are little, I say little a lot, I'm aware, are mini doilies that I die cut, and then a whole bunch of stamps that I thought had pretty colors and that she could use. And then in the last pocket are some tags, if I remember correctly. Yeah, craft paper tags. I also have a whole lot of them and some washi tape stickers. Surprise, surprise. Seeing all of my mails back to back makes me realize that I send a lot of the same goodies, which is washi tape stickers. But you have to understand, normal stickers are nice, but washi tape stickers blend in really nicely with your projects. It's amazing. Anywho, that's the last project I'm showing you today. Close up of the washi tape stickers, of course. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Give it a big thumbs up. I promise more happy mail tutorials will be coming soon as it's not this hot anymore, so that I can craft again. And I also have a whole bunch of PO Box mail that I need to show you. It's absolutely insane. I'm swimming in mail. Anyway, I hope you're all staying safe, staying healthy. A big thank you to my patrons who make all of this possible, and I'll talk to you again very soon. Okay, bye bye.